Welcome to part 2 of the future of AI. Here we will be discussing where AI is now, where it may go, as well as concerns that AI in the home could present. AI in the home can be broken down into 3 categories: cleaning, entertainment, and security. Firstly, cleaning. An example of this is the iRobot Roomba, which launched their first vacuum back in 2002. It was able to clean the home without human intervention. This product was only equipped with basic level capabilities such as identifying walls, but nonetheless still got the job done. Technology has now progressed, which allows for the Roomba to scan the room size, identify objects, and remember the most efficient route to take each time it cleans. Secondly, entertainment. An example of this is Anki's home entertainment robot named Cosmo, which launched in 2016. This little robot allows for people to experience the capabilities of AI firsthand. Cosmo is able to recognize and remember people, display emotions, play games, learn about the environment he is in, and most importantly, don't forget to feed him. This device has been aimed towards young children and teens with the goal to encourage them to learn about AI, coding, and robotics itself. And lastly, domestic security. An example of this is Bodyguard. Originally started as a crowdsourced idea in 2015, later to be released in 2017, Bodyguard is a camera which connects to a user's smartphone. The device uses AI to recognize faces and suspect sounds so that it can proactively alert a homeowner of intruders without the need of them proactively monitoring the camera's audio-visual feed. Today, AI is most commonly known through devices such as Google Home and Amazon's Alexa. Amazon first launched Alexa at the end of 2014 only for its Amazon Prime members, and finally for general release in 2015. The reception to this product was both positive and negative, with customers' number one concern being privacy, with the main questions being, how was their data being used, was Amazon collecting personal information, and is Alexa always listening? From here came the competitive release of the Google Home in mid-2017. These products have created what is known as smart homes, which are a home equipped with lighting, heating, and electronic devices that can be controlled remotely by a smartphone or computer. Appliances such as vacuums, home security, blinds, lighting, and remote controls can all now be controlled from anywhere through simply the use of a mobile phone. In the last decade, saw the rollout of the smart meter, which was designed to be able to send both the household as well as energy companies daily updates on the electricity flowing in and out of said home. AI is able to be connected to these smart meters to allow for more efficient energy consumption within the household. Where will the future lead AI in the home? With technology not slowing down, the idea of the smart home will only progress further. This concept of smart home aids to make the daily lives for humans easier, making us happier and more comfortable. It is hard to predict just what the future has in store, but based off where AI is now, it is easy to say it will only continue to be a part of our lives as we become more and more dependent on it. Even now, being able to control your house from the other side of the world is an unbelievable concept. It is guessed that AI will be combined with augmented reality, which has the potential to create an open world environment where daily activities are complemented by a digital overlay. An augmented reality headset could be used as a second screen, much like a mobile phone, making it one of the primary interfaces through which we engage with others. Potential uses for this are almost endless, from interacting with other personal assistants to translating street signs and even controlling your home. It is also guessed that AI will be using voice and facial recognition to create an ideal living environment, allowing AI and humans to work together. Although AI is designed to make life simpler, there are also some potential issues that are associated with its use. Being lawn care robots, which might collect data about the size of a user's property, which then could be potentially sold. AI machines such as Alexa that interact with users to buy products, which might sell transaction information to marketers or other marketing firms. User data might also be collected and stored for private usage by companies. Children's toys might collect data about the kinds of interactions and play that they're having or lack thereof, and use this information to craft follow-up marketing to users, and even sell this information to marketers who want to reach the same demographics. Even though there are more worries, these are only a few. In part 3, we will be covering how AI is perceived in popular films and how this will shape the future.